皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. You've probably heard the words like mitai, rashī, yo, so, and ppoi. They all can mean looks like or seems like in English. But maybe you are not sure about the differences or how native speakers actually use them. So in today's lesson, I will break them down with real-life examples to make them easy to understand. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, we have mitai. Mitai. This is a super common suffix in spoken Japanese. You can use it when something looks like something else, or when you are making guess based on what you see. It's like saying looks like or seems like in English. Just add a noun, verb plain form, or adjective before mitai. For example, 昨日撮った写真、映画のワンシーンみたい。昨日撮った写真、映画のワンシーンみたい。雨が降ったみたい。雨が降ったみたい。このレストラン、すごく人気みたいだね。このレストラン、すごく人気みたいだね。Using mitai sounds casual. So if you want to sound more formal, you can use yo instead. Yo is typically used in more formal settings. For example, 新製品の売り上げが好調なようです。新製品の売り上げが好調なようです。There are also two common expressions using yo. のように、のように、or のような、のような。Both mean something like or similar to, but they are used in different contexts. のように describes the manner or method of an action, showing how something is done in a particular way. In casual settings, you can also use mitai ni. It means to do something in the same way as something else, and is often used with verbs. For example, in this sentence, here, you want to swim, 泳ぎたい. But like what? Yes, like a dolphin. イルカのように. So, イルカのように泳ぎたいです。イルカのように泳ぎたいです。You can also say, イルカみたいに泳ぎたい。イルカみたいに泳ぎたい。Another example. いつも always のようにやってください。Please do it. いつものようにやってください。いつものようにやってください。For casual version. いつもみたいにやって。いつもみたいにやって。のような is used to describe something that is similar to another thing. It means that A looks like B in some way. This one also can use みたいな in casual setting. For example, in this sentence, that cloud, あの雲 looks like something. But what kind of shape? That's right, like the shape of a rabbit. うさぎのような形。So, あの雲、うさぎのような形をしていますね。あの雲、うさぎのような形をしていますね。For casual settings. あの雲、うさぎみたいな形をしてるね。あの雲、うさぎみたいな形をしてるね。Another example. 東京駅は迷路、maze のような作りで the structure すぐに迷います。easy to get lost 東京駅は迷路のような作りですぐに迷います。東京駅は迷路のような作りですぐに迷います。Casual settings 東京駅は迷路みたいな作りですぐに迷う。東京駅は迷路みたいな作りですぐに迷う。Next up we have rashī, which is used in two ways. The first way is to describe something that is typical of a person or thing. It means something is just like you would expect from the person, place, or thing. To use it, just add a noun before らしい. For example, これ、日本らしいデザインでかわいい。これ、日本らしいデザインでかわいい。すごく正直なところ、あんならしいね。すごく正直なところ、あんならしいね。Another use of らしい is when you heard something from someone else, like a rumor or news. Just add らしい at the end of the sentence. For example, 近所に新しいカフェができたらしいよ。近所に新しいカフェができたらしいよ。アリサとカイト、付き合ってるらしいよ。アリサとカイト、付き合ってるらしいよ。Next is so, which has two main uses. First, you can use this to make a guess based on what you see and feel. With adjectives, it shows that something seems a certain way. To use this, take the stem of the adjective and add so. For example, このケーキ、おいしそう。このケーキおいしそう。Other common phrases with so. 辛そう。辛そう。甘そう。甘そう。苦そう。苦そう。熱そう。熱そう。Movies and entertainment can be also described as この映画面白そう。この映画面白そう。You can also say 怖そう。怖そう。良さそう。良さそう。つまらなそう。つまらなそう。We also use so to describe people's emotion, like 息子、プレゼントもらって 嬉しそうだった。息子、プレゼントもらって嬉しそうだった。Other examples are 楽しそう。楽しそう。悲しそう。悲しそう。悔しそう。悔しそう。When you use so with verbs, it means something looks like it's about to happen. To use this, take the verb stem and add so. For example, もうすぐ桜が咲きそうだね。もうすぐ桜が咲きそうだね。So also has another important use. It's for sharing something you heard from someone else. It's similar to rashī, which is used for rumors. However, so is used for sharing indirect information, like saying, I heard that, in English. To use it, just add so at the end of the sentence with sentence ending particle, like だよ or です。For example, 田中さん、結婚するそうだよ。田中さん、結婚するそうだよ。山田さん、違う部署に移動するそうです。山田さん、違う部署に移動するそうです。And finally, let's talk about ppoi. Ppoi. This is a casual way to say something has the vibe of something else or behaves in a certain way. For example, たけるってちょっと子供っぽいね。たけるってちょっと子供っぽいね。このジャケットちょっと安っぽい。このジャケットちょっと安っぽい。Here are some common words with ppoi. 秋っぽい。秋っぽい。怒りっぽい。怒りっぽい。色っぽい。色っぽい。大人っぽい。大人っぽい。That's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to use mitai, rashī, so, yo, and ppoi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what would you like to see in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた。